Seeing what sound TikTok gives my figures.
Should I open it or should I keep it sealed? Never keep it sealed. Always open the pack. Time after time, we ask ourselves this question.
This little fucker is a rogue U.S. military asset and a danger to public safety. NORAD has deployed Reaper drones equipped with missile systems to conduct global orbital sweeps.
I don't have any hobbies, actually. This isn't a hobby. This consumes my entire life. A hobby is something you do on the side. This is not a side project. I'd say eating is my hobby.
I'm feeling like my old self again.
I'm gonna slit your eyelids in half so you don't blink when I stab you in the face. You'll die when I want you to, Sydney.
Daddy, my pussy so...
Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God.
Run to me, confess your love, at least just say.
Hey, Batman. I live in the shadows. Justice. Forgot them!
Show me your artwork. Show me your artwork right now. Show it to... Oh. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, I see what you're doing there. Nice.
Oh, you can't find this in the store. Not this, baby. This right here. This is customized. You better get like me.